Hi guys! Ready na ba kayong magluto na kasama ako? So stay tuned because today I'm going to share with you my deviled eggs. So for tonight, I am using raw for my deviled eggs. But before going further, syempre mag-i-intro ko muna tayo. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, I'm just going to share with you my deviled eggs. So stay tuned and I hope you learn something simple and easy recipe from me. By the way guys, may kalap shoutout po sa lahat ng mga nandito na ngayon nanonood. Maraming thank you po sa support niyo kay ZhulAbi. Deviled eggs are usually served as an appetizers. So this is good if you know how to make this, and this is a good presentation for the guests especially. Another idea para mapapawaw po ang guest niyo. For our ingredients, we need some eggs. There's a lot of sizes of an egg, so for me, I chose the large one. We also need a mustard, some dried beets, and this is a roe. The term roe also applies to eggs from other marine animals like scallops, lobsters, and shrimps, but fish roe can be taken from any type of fish like salmon, trout, cod, paddlefish, or whitefish. For me, I am using the cod roe. We also need black pepper, just a little bit, a bit of sugar and salt, and mayonnaise. So to start with, this is our frozen roe, so we need to defrost it first before we're going to start. We just leave it for around 30 minutes and it's ready. Now let's boil some water in our pot, and then we're going to boil our eggs for just around 1 minute, and then after it boils, we're just going to leave it, cover it, and leave it for around 10 minutes. Most common problems in boiling eggs is when the egg crack. So for me, my secret is to add a spoon of salt. So yan ang sekreto ko guys, para hindi mabasag ang ating eggs. Nilalagyan ko siya ng 1 spoon na asin. So yun lang guys, try nyo, hindi po siya mababasa. After 10 minutes, we're just going to add a water from the faucet, and then we're going to remove it from the shell, and then we're just going to cut it into half. And then let's remove the egg yolk. Let's place it into the bowl. Then we're going to start mixing all our ingredients. Let's just add into the bowl that we already had prepared, like the sugar, pepper, salt, and this is a raw, it's already defrosted, and then the egg yolk. Next, we're just going to crush it together until it will become finely mixed. So let's just continue crushing it together so it will become fine. Ganun lang guys, inulit ko lang. Yan. Isatin natin siyang maigi para mahalo din natin maigi doon sa ating fish roll. So, ayan guys. Ganyan lang kasimple at ganun lang kadali. Parang naglalaro ka lang. Now, as we can see here, I think it's fine already and everything is already crushed. So now we're going to add in our mustard and our mayonnaise, and then after that we're just going to mix it properly again until we can get our desired texture. So that's it. It's just very simple and easy. So like that guys, try nyo rin to sa mga bahay-bahay nyo, or halimbawa may bisita kayo or bibisita ako sa inyo guys. Ayan, ipatikim nyo sa akin ang inyong sariling version ng deviled eggs. Ayan, so this is my version. This is ZhulAbi's deviled eggs na napakasarap po niyan guys at masustansya. Ayan. So ayan guys, ready na. Tapos na natin siyang haluin. Ilalagay na po natin siya sa ating eggs as toppings. Ayan. Actually here I am making 2 servings. Bali, 2 plato po to guys na may laman na I think yung isa ay 12 at yung isa naman ay 10. So, that's it. At ganyan lang po kasimple gumawa. Napakadali lang at walang kapagod-pagod guys. It takes just around less than half hour to do this recipe at na-serve mo na po siya ng mabilis. So, maraming salamat po sa panonood nyo at support nyo kay ZhulAbi. Maraming thank you po sa pagsubaybay sa aking mga vlogs, either cooking man or gala. Yan. Maraming thank you po sa inyong lahat. Big love shout out po sa inyong lahat ng mga nandito ngayon na nanonood at mamaya mag-replay. Maraming thank you po. Actually, if artistic ka po at marunong kang mag-design, marami pong pwedeng design na gawin nyo dyan sa toppings ng ating deviled eggs. But for me, ito lang kay nagmamadali po yan guys. So lastly, we're just going to sprinkle our dill on the top and then it's ready to serve. So here we go. This is the last part before we're going to serve it. We're just going to sprinkle the dills on the top as toppings to make it more presentable for the guest. So that's it. It's done. The last part, syempre, ihanda na natin ang smile bago tayo mag-serve. Ganyan guys, kailangan natin nakasmile lagi pag nag-serve tayo para pasukin tayo ng swerte. Ganon yun guys. Ayan guys ha, tandaan nyo ang dalawang tips na binigay ko sa inyo ngayon. Ang paglaga ng itlog para hindi mabasag, lalagyan po natin ng 1 kutsarang asin. At bago tayo mag-serve, kailangan po tayong nakasmile palagi. Tandaan nyo ha. That's it. That's my deviled eggs ready to serve. Thanks for watching everyone, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you very much po, and stay connected to be updated with my next videos. Once again, this is ZhulAbi, always reminding you to stay healthy and be safe always po. See you in my next videos. Alam!